Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: subscription, compatible device, and headphones. Open Settings Music and turn on Lossless and Dolby Atmos. Choose Automatic for Atmos. Once done, launch Apple Music and find an album with the Dolby Atmos badge. Tap the three dots to check version and download if needed for offline playback. Make sure Bluetooth is connected to your AirPods or other compatible headphones. Wired connections may give the most consistent spatial imaging for testing. Now focus on execution. Pick a Dolby Atmos track and start playback. If you set Dolby Atmos to automatic, Apple Music detects compatible headphones and applies spatial rendering. If set to always on, all content is upmixed, which can change the original mix. For best results, use wired Lightning or USB-C headphones or AirPods Pro for head tracking. Adjust volume and EQ minimally. Heavy equalization can ruin spatial cues. While listening, move your head slightly to confirm positional stability and clarity. Finish by verifying settings and testing. Play an Apple-curated Dolby Atmos playlist to confirm spatial effect. If you don't hear Atmos, make sure Bluetooth is using the optimal codec, update headphone firmware, and reboot your device. Once rebooted, re-enable Dolby Atmos in Settings Music and reconnect headphones. If tracks still lack the badge, re-download the album or sign out and back into Apple Music. One troubleshooting tip: toggling Dolby Atmos from automatic to always on, then back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.